Welcome to this video. I'm going to show how to fix high ping issues. Click search bar and type CMD. Right-click command prompt and click Run as administrator. Type the following I mentioned commands by one. ipconfig flush DNS. net sh winsock reset. Exit. Right-click Ethernet and open Network and Internet settings. Click Advanced Network Settings. Click More Network Adapter Options. Right-click your network and click Properties. Click Internet Protocol version 4 and click Properties. Click Use the following DNS server addresses. Type 8.8.8.8. Type 8.8.4.4. Click OK. Click Close. Close Windows. And restart PC. Problem solved. Like and subscribe.